Hello and welcome to Entech Hub TV. It's a pleasure having you on board once more. This is the midweek news trending in the oil and gas sector globally. In Nigeria, the Dangote Refinery is ramping up fuel exports across Africa to help ease regional shortages caused by global supply disruptions. Operating at 650,000 barrels per day, the refinery has shipped multiple gasoline cargoes to countries including Côte d'Ivoire, Ghana, Cameroon, Tanzania, and Togo, strengthening regional energy security. In Africa, Arcius Energy has approved a $500 million investment to develop the Harmattan gas field in Egypt, aimed at boosting domestic gas supply and supporting energy stability. In Iraq, oil exports have been severely affected by disruptions linked to the Strait of Hormuz, pushing the country to explore alternative export routes through Turkey, Syria, and Jordan to maintain supply flows. In the United States, tensions with Iran continue as diplomatic efforts intensify over the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz, a key global oil transit route. In Iran, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps halted 2 Qatar LNG tankers near the Strait of Hormuz, highlighting ongoing risks to global energy shipments through the strategic waterway. Finally, in Asia, rising oil prices linked to the Middle East conflict are increasing farming and transportation costs in the Philippines, adding pressure on food production and inflation. That wraps up the midweek news update in the oil and gas sector globally. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Also, share your thoughts in the comments section and join us on Friday for the weekend news update.